Hey, it's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2019 Buick Encore all-wheel drive. Got all the safety you want here, all the tech as well. Front parking sensors, 18-inch chrome aluminum wheels, Continental all-season tires. You have the smart key access system on all four doors, and you're also got the integrated turn signals. The leather upholstery through here. Memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. It's got it all. Let's take a look. All right, lots to see here on the interior. We're going to start our way from left to right. You've got the storage space, a leather wrapped steering wheel. It is heated, and you have the forward collision warning. You can set that up, and it's going to let you know about the flow of traffic around you. Headlights and turn signals, intermittent wipers including rear wipers, your hands-free calling and voice command, audio source selector, and volume control right there at the steering wheel. Push start ignition, and you've got the AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, time and temperature display here on the full color touchscreen. You do have Bose audio, so you're going to get the best sound. Onboard navigation with turn-by-turn. You've also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with projection, so perhaps you enjoy the maps on your smartphone more than the onboard navigation. You can use that instead. Traffic icon, when you punch that up, it's going to show you all those troubled spots on the road and give you a brief description as to what's going on and an estimation on how long it's going to slow you down for. And in reverse, you get that full color rear backup camera with trajectory. You got the parking sensor on-off, your lane departure warning system, heated seats, both driver and passenger side, and you do have that heated seat control right there, and dual zone climate control for heating and air conditioning. You got your hazards and traction control, and below you're going to find a place to put a device you can charge up. You got 2 USB ports, auxiliary and 12-volt power. Gear shifter, handbrake, and I have the key fob resting here in the cup holder, and we'll take a quick look at that. It shows you've got the remote starts and the alarm function as well. And that nice leather upholstery throughout, the premium floor mats front and rear. And you got the OnStar services available to you there just above the rear view mirror. And up above, garage door openers and the controls for the slide and tilt sunroof, which is right here. You can open and close that with the sunshade, and control is very easy to operate even when you're on the road. Overhead lighting as well. And again, push start ignition, so to turn the engine off, engine shuts down. Let's get a look at the rear profile now. You've got the rear parking sensors, the all-wheel drive badging there on the right-hand side. And you can get in the hatch just by pushing the button there, give it a little gentle lift up. Carpeted floor mats coming into it in addition to the premium ones. And a removable cargo cover easily snaps in and out. So if you want to fold those seats down and put something larger in the back, you do have 60/40 flip and fold. Tie downs on both sides. And full-size spare tire below. And you got the all-leather upholstery continuing back here. 3-prong power down below and the premium floor mats. Room for 3 passengers. The fold-down armrest with cup holders. And the flip and fold seating. Very easy to take care of. You just flip, and here is the fold. So easy, and both sides of that 60/40 will do the same thing. You got the fog lights up front, and again, you got the front parking sensors, and that's going to complete your look at this 2019 Buick Encore all-wheel drive. If you want to see this one in person, we are at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.